Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 530 and let me show you how to change screen background. So at first find and select settings. Then go to start and theme, and here you will be able to manage background. You can apply either light or dark theme, and you can also apply some start background. Just click here to choose a photo, select the album from which you want to pick it. Let me choose, for example, this one. Customize it however you like, tap on confirmation mark, and that's it. As you can see from now on, here you will have this photo, and as you can see, the phone is in dark theme. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.